This is lesson 2. We're going to create an image from a selfie. If you have a selfie on your phone, or go ahead and take one. Right here, we're going to type in gemini.google.com. You could also do the same thing in ChatGPT or one of the other AI generators. You're going to add your photo file. In this case, I need to upload it, but you may have something on your drive or in your photo folder. You go ahead and upload the picture. And here we're going to type in, using the attached image, please create a... Right here, you get to use your own imagination. Put in whatever you want it to make it look like. If you want to look like a millionaire, if you want to look like an astronaut or a swimmer or a diver or a supermodel, put in what you want. I said a Roman style bust. And go ahead and enter that. Here we have a Roman style bust based on the selfie I entered. The features should resemble the selfie. The bust is not smiling, which they normally aren't. So that makes sense. But I wanted to instead make the bust a statue. I wanted to see it in full size. So make it a statue instead. The background was generated to fit with the subject. We didn't have to tell it what background to put, but you could also, if you wanted to, you could tell it where you want it to be. I wanted to make it at night, lit by the moon. And we'll see what happened there. Also, I wanted to try to put it indoors, so I asked to put it inside an art museum. The proportions of the statue were a little bit off, and maybe the head is too big for the statue. There will be future lessons where we will explore ways to fix that. So if you created an image based on your selfie, I would like to see what you created. Please drop your photos in the comments below. Using Gemini, I uploaded a selfie and prompted for it to be turned into a Roman style statue. The head and the neck did not look right. I tried a few things to fix that, and I'll show you now what I tried. First, I tried to change the prompt, making it say the head and the neck are too large for the body. Please make it more proportional. And it did reduce the size of the head, but it still didn't look right. So next, I uploaded another photo that shows more of the body. And so the proportions are already in the photo. And this time the head and the neck were the right size, but I wasn't crazy about the result, like where are her arms. So the next thing I tried, which actually worked, believe it or not, is I just closed out of Gemini and went to ChatGPT. And I uploaded the same original selfie, and I put in the prompt to create a Roman style bust. And I was given 2 options, and it asked me which one did I like. I like option 2, which looks more like a bust. And then I asked it the same thing that we did previously. I said, using image 2 this time, make it a statue instead. And would you look at that? I don't see anything wrong here. I don't have to make any more changes. I think we solved the problem. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and comment if you have any additional questions or if there are any other tutorials you'd like to see. If you need a selfie and don't want to use your own face, you can just put in a prompt that says create a selfie. I have here a little bit more complicated prompt. I will put the entire prompt in the comments. It will generate a different selfie each time. You can change some of the details. Let's say if you wanted a different ethnicity, if you wanted the selfie to be inside, outside, you can customize the prompt to get the kind of selfie you want. This is the prompt that I used to create this selfie for lesson 2. Create your own selfie and drop it in the comments. I'd like to see it.